Hi everyone! In this guide, I'll show you legit ways to get free coins in Honeytoon. These methods are safe, follow the game rules, and help you build your coin balance without risking your account. First, open the game every day and claim your daily login reward. Most games give more coins for consecutive day streaks, so make it a habit. Next, use rewarded ads. Tap the Get Coins or Watch to Earn button and watch short ads to receive coins or boosters. It's quick and free. Check daily missions and limited time events. Completing simple tasks like finishing levels or sharing matches usually pays coins and event rewards. Don't skip achievements and multi-step quests. They often give larger coin payouts for reaching milestones, so focus on a few achievable goals each play session. Invite friends with your referral link. Many games reward both you and your friend with coins when they join and play. It's one of the fastest ways to stack free coins. Look for promo codes and official giveaways. Follow Honeytoon on social media, join their Discord, or check in-game news for codes and community contests that hand out coins. Finally, take part in community events and developer giveaways. Creators and the game team often run contests with coin prizes. Keep an eye out and enter when you can. A quick safety note: avoid hacks, coin generators, or third-party account sellers. Those can get your account banned. Stick to official and in-game methods for safe, lasting progress. Thanks for watching. Good luck and enjoy your games.